Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Trade Shark. And this will be the weekly roundup for the week ended rather on this Friday, okay, the 11th March. So in this week, the market has been quite volatile. We have seen multiple gaps, So as last time we had discussed, okay, so 16709 is the prominent level, okay. So market started somewhere like again there was a huge gap down, okay, on 7th March, and if you see here that even this particular slanted trend line was also broken, and it formed a kind of doji candle, right? And then uh, the market was quite bullish. So here that was the war related news, and then ups and downs because of various reasons due to international situation, right? And then market was again bullish. In consecutive 2 days it was gap up, okay, and again it took the resistance of 16709.10. So this line, as I have pointed out in a last few videos also, 16709 would be the crucial resistance for the Nifty. Okay, so unless the Nifty doesn't break it convincingly, we won't see the upside as of now. But once it breaks, definitely we can start seeing some upside. Okay, so this is the quick analysis on Nifty. So let us be watchful and how it goes around this level. Okay, that is very important. Now, as I had given my in one of the very first videos, the GNFC that is doing fantastic. So I'm not sure how many of you have taken it. So that has been doing really great. I'm sorry, the chart is taking some time to load because of the internet bandwidth issue here. But if you see, I had already taken the entry at 550, and it is still rocking at 708. I'll keep on following and keep on trailing the stop loss as and when it is making the new highs. Okay. So despite, if you compare it with the Nifty, okay. So despite Nifty fell down during these 3 days, okay, the GNFC was continuing moving upside, okay, and it is really showing some strengths, which will take it to some other level. So I'm just following up this particular stock. So this is at the, I think, all the 52-week high. We are already at that level. All right. So, what are the new stocks I wanted to talk about in this week? Okay. So, of course, GNFC is one of them. I would uh, keep a watch on this, and if needed, I can re-enter, provided there is some kind of setup over here. Okay. Second stock I would talk about is Balrampur. Okay. Balrampur Chini. Now, this particular stock, just give me a minute. Yeah, here it is. Now, this particular stock has recently broken down the resistance. So, if you see here, it has just broke out this particular resistance and convincingly broke with high volume. So, just in technical language, it is called as kind of flag and pole kind of scenario here. So, this is my flag, okay, and this will act as a pole, okay. So this has given a good breakout, and I am expecting at least the target in the range of 550, So this is one of the good picks, I would say. Again, if you see in last few days, again when Nifty was going down this side or on sideways, um, Balrampur Chini has been doing excellently well. Okay, continuously on the rise. Even though there are a couple of red candles or three, four red candles, but it has kept the momentum to the uppish side. All right, so this is one of the picks I would suggest in the coming week. So keep a watch on it. One can take a stop loss of around 465, around 465, and can trade for the target of 550. Okay, so this is the immediate target and stop loss, and you can track this particular stock. Another stock I will talk about, and there are two stocks rather, I would say. Both of them are from pharma. And surprisingly, there has been a huge spike in the volume for these two pharma stocks on Friday specifically. Okay. So first one is Cipla. So again, if you see the Cipla chart, let us give me a moment to load that chart. Yeah, here it is. Now it has been quite range bound. Okay, अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे तो यहाँ पे ये दो लेवल में, ओके, 997 एंड 868, इसके बीच में ही ये ऊपर नीचे, आई मीन इट वाज जस्ट टेकिंग रेजिस्टेंस, here support and again resistance and support. Now yesterday, sorry, on Friday it broke up very convincingly. See the volume, huge volume breakout. Only problem here is, I mean, this candle is very big, so stop loss we have to really define based on हर एक के रिस्क का जो रिस्कोमीटर के हिसाब से और योर रिस्क एपेटाइट के हिसाब से, or either you can keep at the middle of this candle around 1013. Okay, you can keep a stop loss and you can trade it or buy it for the target of around 1150, around 1150. Okay, so if you see in last around 10 to 12 candles, it's continuously green. Okay, so this is continuously rising since 25th of Feb, but it gave the breakout on Friday only, so that becomes prominent. Okay, and even if this stocks comes to this level 997, one should be good, and we can think of buying even at these levels also. Okay, so because since it is continuously 10 to 12 days continuously in green, so probably it might give us a chance to some entry around in between this band. Okay, so this is one good stock. Another pharma stock I would say, as I mentioned, there are two pharma stocks. So another is Sun Pharma. So again, Sun Pharma has given a breakout with almost a breakout with a good volume. Okay, so in a way it is almost a kind of it's a trend line, I would say it's almost equal. Okay, so wait for this breakout. So on Monday, let's see if it breaks. But if it breaks, that will be the fantastic thing. Okay, if it breaks, so again we can trade for the target of around 960 to 980. Okay, so that is a definite kind of a can say, provided it breaks comfortably, and again 902 would be our stop loss once we buy. So friends, these are the three picks I would suggest here other than GNFC. So keep watching these three, and let's see how the market and world overall world situation, what happens in the next week. We really don't know, but let us keep the hope for the best. And ये 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 तीनों स्टॉक्स पे जैसे मैंने बताया कि सिप्ला, सन फार्मा एज वेल एज बलरामपुर चीनी, हम सब इसके ऊपर ध्यान रखते हैं कि हाउ इट इज़ coming up in the next week. Okay, all right, so thanks for your attention, and thanks for viewing this channel. I would request you to please subscribe to this channel, share. Okay.